Hi there, welcome to another AQA Physics Multi-Choice question. To choose a different question, as always, click on the information card there. If you want to try to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. If you didn't, I'm now going to explain. What is the correct unit for the area under a force time graph? Well, force time graph means force on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. So the area is the same as it's multiplying the force by the time. So the area is equal to the force times the time, and those units would be Newton meters, Newton seconds. Okay, so we can see first of all that A isn't correct because that's Newton meters, not Newton seconds, and D isn't correct because it's not newtons per second. We want Newton seconds, so it's going to be one of these two. And we can see in this particular, both these answers have seconds in their answers. They also have meters and they also have kilograms. Well, I just have seconds in my unit so far, so I need to mess around and see if I can find other units to replace the newtons potentially. Okay, so let's have a look. We know that newtons is a force and it's mass times acceleration, so that means a newton must be a kilogram meter per second squared. So if I substitute kilogram meters per second squared for newtons into these sets of units here, I'm going to discover that I've got kilograms, meters, seconds per second squared, and now I can cancel those 1 second on the top with 1 second on the bottom. So I've got kilograms, meters per second, which is answer B. If you thought this video was useful, click on that subscribe button, click on the like button, share with your friends, and watch more of them in the series. Thank you for watching.